This is the Lone Crater YouTube. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will explain how to use time jumpers in bounties. Time jumpers are a fantastic tool for quickly finishing your bounty objectives. They allow you to bypass waiting periods and jump straight to the action, making your gameplay much more efficient. This easy method will help you maximize your rewards and progress faster in your game. First, let's talk about how to get these useful items. You can often earn time jumpers by completing daily quests or participating in special in-game events. They are also frequently available for purchase in the game store, sometimes in bundles offering a good value. Keep an eye out for promotions to stock up on them. Once you have your time jumpers, applying them is straightforward. Navigate to your active bounty list and select the bounty you wish to complete. You'll see an option to use time jumper. Confirm your choice, and the bounty will instantly finish, granting you all its rewards without any further effort. It's that simple. Using time jumpers offers significant benefits, primarily saving you many hours of repetitive tasks. This allows you to focus on more engaging or challenging aspects of the game. For best results, use your time jumpers strategically on bounties that offer the highest rewards or those you find particularly tedious to complete manually. Happy gaming!
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.